Good morning, student. Today we read division of algebraic expression. So, how you will do division if algebraic expression is given? So, factorization we read in the previous chapter by using identity. So, in sometimes identity will may be necessary while doing the division or the factorization method. Okay. So, first division of algebraic expression, we first learn how to divide monomial with a monomial expression with another monomial expression. The first question, 6x cube division 2x. So how to do 6x cube division by upon 2x, 6x cube by 2x. So you first, how you do factorization method? 6x means you divide the 6x cube into prime factorization method. Prime factorization. So 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. X into x into x. X cube means 3x. Then 2 into x. Now you cut from numerator to denominator same numerical coefficient and the variables. So first here 2 cut, then 1x cut. Remain 3x. Remain 3 into x, that is 3x square. Okay. So while doing division, you must convert the expression into prime factors. Okay, multiplication of prime factors. Here another question, minus 20x fourth division 10x square. Same thing, minus 20x fourth by 10x square. Then 20 prime factor, I told that minus means minus 2 2 ja 4 into 5 ja 20, 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20. Then x fourth means x into x 4 times, multiply x fourth by 10 means 2 into 5 into x. Now cut numerator to denominator. Here 1 2 5 x. Okay, and what remain in numerator? 2x square. Okay, answer is 2x square. So like this we will divide a monomial to monomial. It is monomial expression to monomial expression. So to do that we have to change them into prime factorization method. Then you cut the same numbers and variables from numerator to denominator. Now division of a polynomial by a monomial. So it is a polynomial, 3 terms are there, and here a monomial, 1 term. So how can you divide a polynomial with a monomial? So you write same thing, 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y by 2y. So in this case here plus numerator is in plus form and denominator is one number. That means you can rewrite it. You know that you can write 4y cube by 2y plus 5y square by 2y plus 6y by 2y. Okay, this is fractional addition. Remind that. How can you do that? In this case, is denominator same, then numerator 2y, denominator same, numerator will be added. So here this polynomial by 2y means we can individually write that 4y cube by 2y, 5y square by 2y plus 6y by 2y. Here again you individual fraction you change them into prime factorization. Prime factorization means 4y. That means how can you write 2 into 2 into y into y into y by 2y plus 5 into y into y by 2 into y. Here it is 2y means 2 into y. Okay, plus 2 into 3 into y by 2 into y. Now look at numerator to denominator. Here 2 y. Okay, here what? Only y to y. Here 2 y. What remain? 2y square plus 5 by 2y, 5 by 2y plus 3. So this is your answer. 2y square plus 5 by 2y plus 3. Okay. So if there is a polynomial by a monomial, then individually you part them into separate fractions. How I did? 4y cube by 2y, 5y square by 2y, 6y by 2y. Okay, then you solve. Now division of polynomial with polynomial. Then here what? Here question 44, multiply x fourth minus 5x cube minus 24x square. It is in bracket. Then division by 11x, multiply x minus 8. Okay. So how can you do this? Read again question 44, x fourth minus 5x cube minus 24x square by 11x into x minus 8. Now here it is in multiply form. So here you see x fourth 5x cube 24x square, which is common here. Which factor? Prime factorization, common factorization also you can take. So which in these three term, which is common? Here x fourth x cube x square means x square is present in every term. You take out the x square outside the bracket. So 44 multiply x square. So here what? From x fourth you take x square means here x square minus x cube you take x square means here 5x. Okay, minus 24 x square you take. Understood now? By 11x x minus 8. So here you can cut. Here 44 x square 11x. Here x minus 8. So here you do is prime factorization. Okay. So you change this expression. In this case, what you do? 24 multiply x square. You multiply this term, last term. It is 24x square. Okay. By which term? You think such a two numbers. When you multiply, you get this. Add, you get 5x. So how much? Suppose 8 3 ja. 8 3 ja how much? 24. So 8 3 ja 24 means you can write instead of 5x, what you will write? Minus 8x plus 3x. That means it is 5x or not. So this listen carefully. How can you factorize this term? This type of expression is given polynomial. How can you factorize this? In this case, here no identity is worked here. Okay, no identity. So in this case, you just multiply first term to last term. 24x square you got. Middle term is your minus 5x. So minus 5a means you just think out. You factorize. If you take 24, you factorize. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 6 ja 12 2 3 ja 6. So suppose 2 8 3 ja. Suppose 4 7 ja. That means if you 4 7 ja means you will not get after adding or subtraction. You will not get 5x. Okay. So multiply last two term and same two term. If you add or subtract, then you must get. You think such terms, you will get that 5x. So that means suppose 8 3 ja. So minus 8x plus 3x. What you get? Minus 5x. Okay. No, there is value will not change. So in this case, what you do now? Again, 44 multiply x square. X square for 5 minus 5x you can write minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. Yes or no? Okay. Then by 11x x minus 8. Okay. Now it is again rewrite 44 x square. Here from this 2 you common x, that means x minus 8. Here 3 plus 3 x minus 8, 3 8 is 24 by 11x x minus 8 again. Okay, then equal 44 means you can write here 11 into 4 x square, x into x. Okay, this one. Then here inside x plus 3 into x minus 8, x plus 3 into x minus 8, x minus 8 is common, then x plus 3 by 11x, 11 into x minus 8. Now you cut from numerator to denominator. 11 to 11, x to x, x minus 8, x minus 8. Then above what? 4x into x plus 3. This is your answer. Okay, 4x into x plus 3. Okay. Now look another question. Divide 8 into x cube y square z square plus x cube y cube z square plus x square y square z cube by 4 x square y square z square. So same thing. Suppose this is multiplied. Here also you can cut here. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 8. Okay, you keep 2 multiply. Then this term by this term, this term by this term, this term by this term. Okay, so x cube y square z square by x square y square z square. Okay, then plus x square y cube z square by x square y square z square plus x square y square z cube by x square y square z square. I said it is plus means individually you can do the fractions. This by this plus this by this plus this by this. Now you cut here y square y square. Okay, x square here x square y square y square. Here also z square to z square. Here also again z square to z square. Okay, what remain? 2 into x cube by x square. So x into x by x into x plus y cube means y into y by y into y plus z into z cube z into z. Okay, so again x then y z remind 2x plus y plus z. This is the answer. Okay, so I got here x plus y plus z. Your answer is 2 into x plus y plus z. So factorize the expression, then divide. So you first what expression given polynomial, you factorize it just before I solved one. Another example it is. So first what expression is given, you have to factorize it, then you divide. So first is y square plus 7y plus 10 by y plus 5. What I said, such type of expression you must multiply this last two term, that means 10 into y square equal to 10y square. Then which number, two number you add to get 7y, add or subtract. So multiply 5 into 2, then suppose 5y plus 2y equal to 7y or not. Here is 7y. So 7y you just divide into two parts, 5y plus 7y. The value will not change. Then write again y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 by y plus 5. Then you just take two terms to factorize them. Here what common? Y plus 5 plus here what you take common? 2 y plus 5, 2y, 2 5 jar, then y plus 5, then here common y plus 5 again, then y plus 2, y plus 5 into y plus 2 will do y plus 5. Okay, now this term, y plus 5 numerator, y plus 5 denominator. Your answer is y plus 2. Okay, so like this you will solve. I hope you understood how to divide monomial to monomial, binomial to monomial, polynomial to monomial, or polynomial to polynomial. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.